Hey guys, it's me again, Alex here, the sub-YouTuber that always like to make a meaningless video and post on YouTube. And today, the video is not the how-to and the tutorial that teach you all. And this video is regarding the product review. A few couple months ago, I have made the topic list that are regarding the product review, and that particular video, I did not gain much more view, and the CTR rate is also quite low. But nevertheless, I want to give the comment you all as a buyer before you buy some item, do not buy the wrong thing that you all didn't like. So I become crazy, then I just bought it. And the title, I definitely assure you already see the title is the huge green screen that you are never see. Without any hesitations, let's unboxing it. Alright, this is the green screen. I bought it from the LAZADA.com branch from Malaysia. And the price is also quite cheapless. You can buy it in Lazada or the online platform is also can, but I prefer for the Lazada. And the price is the 27.69 Malaysia ringgit. Yeah, you see the outlook is still good. Have some bubble wrap here because you want to prevent any physical damage on that item. So thank you for the seller in Lazada. Alright, let's open it. We use the scissors and cut it down. Can you see it? Alright, we cut. Wait, eat a bit. What the hell is it? Wait. Sorry. Alright. This is the green screen. Later I will display it. What is the accessory that accompany with this green screen is... I don't know what is this. I just open it. Yeah. Wait. Alright. Let's open it. Okay. I think this is the multifunction scissor or the knife. You can just do it on any else in emergency. I don't know, it just give. Then we just put it down. Okay, this is the appreciate letter to the customer. Thank you, Alex, for our value customer. We hope the item received at the end of the order ID blah 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 blah. Good condition and you enjoy the purchase. Yeah, if I think the product is quite meaningful or the valuable, I would thank to you. So thank you. Alright, this is the green screen. The main character is here. Oh, it seems so big. Let's open it. Oh, it's come with the bag. Good. Alright, this is the bag. Alright, put all the vegetable food when go to the hypermarket. This can use it. Yeah, just kidding. Alright. And then this is how to function. Oh, so amazing. I also first time to use it. Oh, let's see. Oh my god. How to open it? Wait. Oh my goodness. So big. Oh my goodness. So big. Wait. Let me stand out and use it. Wait. Alright. Oh, sorry. Oh, any emergency. Oh, so big. I like it. Oh my god. I scared about the fan, you know. See whether can shoot it into my computer chair or not. Oh my goodness. Oh. Wait. Some problem. Technical problem, sorry. Wait It seems to be okay. Let me make some. Alright. This is the final looks for the green screen. Alright. So cool, right? So amazing, so big, and so unstable. Never mind. It's so unstable that. Alright, this is all the green screen because I purchased in Lazada. I bought the bigger size and it's come with the bigger size, and very good is it can fit to my computer chair, doesn't have a big problem. I think this is the universal size, so it doesn't come up with a big problem, and you just want to check any physical damage here. So far I get it is quite good. Alright, that is my unboxing and installing to my computer chair. Now I would like to give you why I purchased the green screen. Why I want to purchase green screen is, in my inner thought is, since I made YouTube starting from 1 year before, and I just like not frequent to upload the video because I have the student life, you know, student life is quite hectic and busy, so I just become like a part-time YouTuber since 1 year ago. But now I was graduate from my foundation program and I want to start the YouTube journey, and I think it's not easy. Since I start to kick off the YouTube, then I try to invest some of the money to the equipment that I would like to invest is like audio. You know, my audio is also not like very well and clear because some of the noise, if greatly noisy, is can't filter out, is humiliating things. Okay, that's one is another matter, and today I want to introduce is, since the number one reason I buy the green screen is you can see my room is quite messy, so I don't want to make you all like feel I am not organized person and just a mess out and my life is just ruined out no, because I just want to make you all clear, or otherwise when I try to storytelling to you all, I can use this green screen to cover out everything else. And the reason number two I purchased the green screen is few couple months or year suddenly I changed my mind and don't want to do like the how-to series, then I will change to like gaming or like the reactions. All this is beneficial to the green screen, and I don't think is the no use lah. So I highly recommend you all to purchase this green screen because it's just very cheap and you can do multi-functions. Otherwise, especially you are the streamer, or either you are a gamer, or you are the like reactions blogger, or you just want to talk what you want to talk in front of camera, everything else is a good choice for you. So, and this is all my pocket money, doesn't sponsor by any third party. As well as this green screen, I also asked the seller from the Lazada, and they also just give the comment fast and furious. What the hell am I talking about? Sorry. Just like very fast as soon as possible without any delay, and the deliver time is also quite faster, and the deliver address is quite accurate. This doesn't like make you confused or the things suddenly lose from the directions. Yeah, I haven't experienced it, but I don't told not LAZADA.com Malaysia is another online platform. That's all for my video, and I just close. See you in the next video. Bye bye.